Kaizer Chiefs are back in action tomorrow, Wednesday, 12th August, against Skokone United. And on this video, we'll be predicting their starting lineup, making changes on the previous starting lineup that we were playing against Golden Arrows. We'll be breaking down the starting lineup. So, as usual, let's jump straight into the video together.
Welcome to the Amakosi Stand podcast, your premier destination for deep analysis and the latest updates on the beautiful game, where every kick tells a story.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Ematimadona. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. So bafethu, we all know that Kaizer Chiefs lost their game against Golden Arrows. They were not playing good, but they were not playing bad. So we'll be diving deep on the starting lineup that Kaizer Chiefs should go with, which position needs some changes, and what Fernando de Cruz should do to improve the performance of the boys. So to make sure to stay tuned to the video, watch the whole video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like the video, do comment down below. Bafethu, in our last game, this is our starting lineup for this was our starting lineup for the last game against Golden Arrows. Brendan Peterson was on the poles. The defense was Thabiso Munyane, Inasho Miguel, Zitsa Kwinika, Rafe Rosler, midfielder Adolf Mtasingwe, Lebohang Mabue, Kosing Pile Ngobo. The attacking force was Loco Batman, Mfundo Vilakazi, and Wandile Duba. Why I'm talking about our last starting lineup is because I want us to look which positions were lacking, so that if there were any position which were lacking, Fernando de Cruz must make changes. That's why I am reading out our last starting lineup against Golden Arrows. So in goal, I think there will be no changes. Maybe in defense there will be, if Brady Cross is well, maybe he'll come in. Maybe Thabo Moloisane. I can't wait to watch him playing. I can't wait for him to get his chances. In the middle field, I think Adolf Mtasingwa should not be starting this game. Yeah, some players should be getting rest, because on Saturday we have a big game. On the attack, I would not start Luke Batman, and I would not start Wandile too. I will tell you the reasons why. But before we go to the next starting lineup, before I tell you the reasons, we should look at the possible starting lineup of Kaizer Chiefs versus Kukune. So 4-2-3-1, you all know the formation I like is 4-2-3-1. So on goal, Brendan Peterson will start, although, yeah, you know what happened. Uh, Backline, as our right back, Thabiso Munyane should be starting. Inasho Miguel and Zitsa Kwinika should be starting as our centre back. I think Thabo Molisane will be my chances are to get to the starting lineup will be slim, because I think Fernando de Cruz wanna build some relationship, especially on those centre back pairing. So I think, although kube kuya ngami, I would have started Thabo Moloisane over Inasho Miguel. Zitsa Kunika is on a beast mode, so I wouldn't remove him from the starting lineup. Another player that I don't like if they are starting as a left back is Rafe Rosler. Kaizer Chiefs should sign another left back. So Rafe Rosler will start the game, but for if it was me, I wouldn't start. I wouldn't start Reef Rosler as a left back. If Bradley Cross is well enough to play, please bring him back. The midfielder, I'll go with uh, I'll go with Umthethwa and then Lebohang Mabuo to stabilize the midfielder. Umthethwa can cut off the passes, can destroy the play that the opposition are trying to combine. He can mark, so I think we need him on this game, and also along with Lebohang Mabuya to connect the defense with the attacking. As our number 10, I hope Ethan Chislett is back. I'm not doubting Ungobo, but he's good. He's good, but he's not what Chislett is. So I hope Chislett is back. If Chislett is not back, I will throw in Umdu Shabalala on that number 10 position. So with my midfield, I am going with uh, Umthethwa with Mabuwe alongside Chislett as a number 10. If Chislett is not available, Fagan Umdulapo as a number 10. So we can get that pressing energy. Ungcobo does not have the pressing energy. He doesn't press the ball because uh, he doesn't have too much stamina, and yeah, he doesn't like to run around with marking the ball. He loves the ball in his feet. So that's why in this game I need someone who will press the defenders of Sekhukhune. Uh, our striking force, our striking force, I think Mr. Pili should start. Left winger, Mr. Pili should start. Right winger, Mfundo Vilakazi should start now. He is improving. He is improving really well, and I think this season he'll be doing good. So my wingers, Langelihle Phili, left winger, Mfundo Vilakazi as a right winger. Our striker, I like Duba. Duba can do something out of nothing. But on this game, I think I would go with Da Silva if he is fit. But if he's not fit, Da Silva, obviously I'll start Uduba as our center forward. Yeah, that is my starting lineup, Afetu. That is my starting lineup. You can drop yours. My starting lineup was Brendan Peterson on goals. Our defense, Tsabiso Munyana, Inashomi Kwez, Tsakwinika, Reef Rosler, midfielder, Umthethwa, Mabuwe, and the number 10 of Ushabalala, if not Eating Chislets. Attacking force, right winger, Mfundo Vilakazi, left winger, Langelihle Phili, striker, Da Silva, if he is available. If he is not, you should start Uwandile Duba. You can drop yours down below, and you can tell me what changes should Da Cruz make, or from the losing starting lineup that he introduced against the Golden Arrows. Le channel so do comment down below. Yeah, Buffett, I think that's all I have for you right now. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and keep on supporting me, Buffett. I promise you I'll keep on improving. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.